Sing Song Tai Tai Lay Ho. I am Marvel Nunez. I was born on October 7, 1998. I am 25 years old from Sampaloc, Manila, Philippines. I am single parent, 5 years old child. I am high school graduate. My hobbies are cleaning and cooking. I work as housemaid in Philippines for 2 years and 4 months, from August 2021 to December 2023. I serve one couple and 4 months old baby.
Hello, Miss Marvel Nunez. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing the service that they need, especially when it comes to their child.
Can you tell us about your daily activities from the morning that you wake up until the night you went to your bed?
My daily activities and duties are cleaning the house, cooking their food for the whole day, washing clothes and dishes, and taking care of them.
Since this is your first time to work abroad, how will you overcome homesickness?
I can overcome homesick by keeping myself busy to work and task given.
Are you willing how to cook Chinese food? If yes, what if it is very hard to get the taste of your employer are still willing?
Yes, I am willing to learn and I will do my best.
What if you're damaged something from your employer's house? What will you do?
I will say sorry and I will promise to be careful next time.
What if the mother of your employer cannot speak in English? How can you communicate with her?
I will use sign language and I will study on how to understand and do what and to speak their language.
What is the most important thing in taking care of children?
Prepare their food on time to keep their clothes wet and always keep them safe.
What if the employer's children are very naughty in the house? Will you beat them?
No, I will just to talk to them nicely and love them and understand them.
How will you maintain a safe environment for the children?
Make sure the doors and windows are always closed. Keep sharp objects away and keep harmful material out of their reach.
What is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it's wet, feed the baby on time, give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do my household chores.
What if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
I call and inform to my employer or the parents and call the doctor for help and advice.
Okay, what is the assurance of your employer that they won't regret if they will choose you?
I am hardworking and trustworthy and easily learn.
Do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate because I badly needed this job. It will help me to grow as a person and I will be big help for my family. Promise to do my best duties and responsible and I will finish my contract.
Before I end, can I share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Marvel Nunez. Hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Mom and sir, thank you and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.